Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make a very simple and easy fish recipe with mustard seeds. This is a very common recipe amongst Assamese people and I really love its taste. So let's begin with the process. Here I have about 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard seeds. I will rinse this once or twice and then soak this overnight. If you are making this curry in a hurry, you may even soak this for about 20 to 30 minutes and that should also work. Here I have about 500 grams of Catla fish and will be using this for the curry. I'll wash the fish and let the excess water drain out with the help of a strainer. In the meanwhile, we'll start preparing the marination. In a big mixing bowl, adding turmeric powder, salt as per taste, mustard oil, olive oil. You can use any oil that you like. Pinch of homemade dhania powder, pinch of garam masala, pinch of hing, mixed spices, and some red chili powder for that extra color. Adding lemon juice of 1/2 of a medium-sized lemon. Mix everything really well. And add the fish. Make sure all the pieces are nicely coated with the marination. Adding pinch of black pepper powder and a little of ginger paste. Give this another mix and allow the marination to rest overnight. I will also be adding some chopped green chilies in the marination. Next day morning, heating up a frying pan, adding oil. Once oil is heated up, we'll start frying the fish. I will fry this in low flame without a lid. Once it is cooked from one side, I will switch off the flame and allow it to cool down. Once it cools down, it becomes very easy to turn sides. Now I will again switch on the flame and allow it to cook from other side. Once they are cooked from both the sides, keep them aside. Here I have the soaked mustard seeds, 1/2 of a medium-sized lemon, pinch of sugar, some garlic, and a fresh green chili. Now I will drain the excess water from the mustard seeds. In my chutney jar, adding the garlic, green chili, sugar and lemon. Sugar and lemon will help to ensure that you do not get that bitter taste from mustard seeds. So make sure to add them. Now we'll add the mustard seeds. Just a little bit of water, some ginger paste, and we'll make a fine paste. So here our paste is ready. Now let's move to making the curry. Heating up a frying pan, adding some mustard oil, adding pinch of 5 spices or panch phuran, 1 bay leaf, 2 dried red chilies, and 1 medium-sized potato. We'll fry the potatoes by adding some salt and turmeric. Cover and allow this to cook in low flame. Once potatoes are cooked a little, I'm adding the mustard seeds paste. And we'll add some water. You can decide the quantity of water to be added depending on the consistency that you want in your gravy. Cover and allow this to cook in medium flame. Now I'm adding some fish. Now if you have noticed, I did not add salt while making the mustard seeds paste. So now I will be adding a little bit of salt. Once the gravy comes to a good boil, turn off the flame and it's ready to be served. Here I have a plain white plate and a serving bowl. We'll keep some mustard seeds by the side of the bowl. And we'll serve the fish in the bowl. Adding some fresh coriander from top, and here we have our mustard seeds and fish gravy all ready to be served. If you want to try this recipe at home, make sure you don't forget to add just a pinch of sugar and some lemon juice in the paste. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.